Hello everyone, this is Meetu and welcome to Makeup by Meetu. So today you can see I am I don't have anything on my face. I just washed my face and used toner, and after that I have applied a moisturizer. As if you know that I have a very dry skin, so I use Nivea moisturizer which actually hydrate my skin. So whoever has dry skin, I highly recommend Nivea cream for like summer or winter. Okay, and today I specially record this video about foundation. As you can see, I have my green marks and dark patches, dark circles, everything. So I recommend three best foundation, like whichever I like the most. Okay, so let's get into the video. So first of all, this is the MAC foundation. I'll tell you the shade number is NC25. This is the MAC NC25 foundation. It is actually not for dry skin, but I use it with moisturizer. Like whenever I use it, I always use it with the moisturizer. So whoever has dry skin, don't use this, or if you like the texture, then you have to use moisturizer or any facial oil. Okay, and price for this foundation approx 3000 rupees. So this is a little bit of high range foundation, so I am going to tell you about the low range and high range foundations. So this is the high range foundation, highly recommended. This is very good for oily skin. Okay, and if you want to use it for dry skin, use facial oil or use with moisturizer. So this is the second foundation which like I am totally obsessed with this foundation. This is from Forever 52 and the shade number is FLF015. FLF015. This is the same coverage like the MAC one, and this is little cheaper. It is around 750 or 800 range, and this is highly recommended for any skin type. Like if you have a oily skin or if you have a dry skin, you can use this. This is also a bit dry foundation, but it actually gives a very good natural finish, and it also gives you highly coverage, like buildable coverage. If you use 2 coats of this foundation, then you will not you don't have to use any other concealer or foundation. So this is highly recommended, and it is like cheaper also, so you can go for this. 24-hour stay. This is one of my favorite foundation as well. I use this is little lighter. I can see this is little bit of lighter tone, so I use these two colors from the same family, the Maybelline Superstay 24-hour full coverage foundation, and the shade numbers are, I'm going to tell you, 128 warm nude, and the other one is 334 warm sun. So these two are my favorite foundation, and this is also same coverage like the MAC one and the Forever 52 and this one. These three foundations are same coverage. This foundation is also around 750 rupees. So the Forever 52 and the Maybelline foundation both are same price, so you can go for any of these two, but the coverage is same. So if you don't want to invest in like premium or high foundation, high range foundation, then you can go for mid-range foundation like Maybelline, or like as I have already told you around about the Forever 52. And last, this is from LA Girl. This is also one of my favorite foundation, and this foundation has little bit of shine in it. So for dry skin people, you can easily go for this foundation. This is medium to heavy coverage and it has a little bit of sheen, and if you have a dry skin, then you can I can highly recommend this one. And this is a little bit of like the price range is around 1100 to 1200. So this is a mid-range foundation, and so I have already told you about 4 of my favorite foundation, and I'm going to show you all the foundation coverage, and I'm going to do my makeup with all 4 of them. So stay tuned. So these are the 4 foundation which I recommend, highly recommend, and a little bit of this I'm going to use it today in the video, and I'm going to show you how it gives you the natural finish with a very good coverage. So stay tuned for this. So first of all, I'm taking this steel plate, and I'm taking this LA Girl foundation, just 1 drop. You can see this is 1 drop, and on the other side I'm taking this Forever 52 foundation. Okay, this is also I'm going to take 1 drop. So you can see one side I'm using the LA Girl foundation, I'm not using any moisturizer or any cream or anything, just only the foundation with the help of this blender. And you can see I've just taken once, and the half of my face is completely done, and the coverage is very good. See? So on the other side of my face, I'm going to use this Forever 52 foundation. You can use your finger or blender or your brushes, anything. As you can see, my birthmark completely hide, and the dark circle and everything, whatever small patches or marks I have, everything got covered. So the finish of this foundation is very good. See, okay, and you can see the LA Girl foundation has a little bit of sheen. You can see the shine on my cheeks. This is the Forever 52 foundation. So I'm going to show you next to foundation. So I'm taking this MAC foundation. So the last one which I'm taking, the Maybelline one, I'm using a little bit of darker tone, and the lighter tone. So these 2 foundation, you can see this one and the MAC one. So first of all, I'm going to mix it and see. This is the Maybelline foundation which I'm using right now. Okay, and the MAC foundation. So you can see the coverage, all my spots and everything got covered. So I have showed you all 4 of my favorite foundation in this video, so you can take a look and like use it accordingly, or you can buy them according to your requirement. You can take the foundation and use it on your client. So stay tuned for more videos like this, and if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel Meetu Baza, and follow me on Instagram as Makeup by Meetu, and my Facebook page MBM Academy and Studio. So thank you so much guys for your love and support. Keep supporting me, keep loving me. Bye.